Hello, and welcome to our Ziperase demo, showcasing the device link for Macs. In this video, we're going to walk you through the entire process of erasing a MacBook Air, which includes erasure, collecting system information, hardware testing, installing a fresh Mac operating system, and generating a detailed report. Let's have a look at the user interface. In the top right corner, you'll see the video feed from the device we're currently erasing. Over on the top left, there's a Start a New Mac button, just above where you'll find all the device data specifications. These fields will populate during the third step of our process, as Device Link collects the system information from the erasure target. Once erasure and testing is complete, the pass and fail options will light up, contributing to the final report. There's also a stop button available to pause the process at any time. Below that, you'll find the list of sequence steps for the device being tested, along with the status of each. After we click Start a New Mac, our system secures a license, and we're all set to begin. Let's hit the Run button for task number 1. Once the process is started by the operator, there's no need for further input until the hardware test. See the yellow pop-up message at the bottom. These provide updates or instructions for the operator. A red pop-up alerts the operator to a warning or error. Device Link will provide instructions and information in each instance. Here's our first yellow pop-up with instructions for if you're running an Intel or Apple Silicon device. We're erasing an Apple Silicon device today, so I'll follow the instructions to hold down the power button until the Loading Startup Options message appears. Once I've seen the Startup Options text, I'll close the lid, and shortly, we'll have video output here. For this M1 device, we're transitioning to the recovery interface, with the Recovery OS popping up soon. For demonstration purposes, we have sped up some parts of the process to shorten the video. The system will automatically bypass these selection screens, and proceed to the Erase Mac step. The details of each step are displayed in text beneath this video feed, automating the entire process without requiring specialized knowledge or training from the operator. Once the erase process is done, you'll see a pop-up on the device screen, telling us that Mac activation has been verified. This is an automatic step by the device on M1 Apple Silicon and newer devices. With the erasure complete, Device Link moves on to gathering system information. You'll see the fields for model, serial, battery health, etc. being populated up here. Next up, Device Link starts the installation of macOS. Using a USB stick with the Ziperase software provided for the installation is much more efficient than the standard method of downloading the macOS version from Apple's servers. We've now reached the macOS installation interface. At this stage, Device Link sets up a temporary user account to install the hardware test application that's used to verify the key components on the device. Any management locks that may be associated with the device will pop up during this process, giving us an early indication of potential issues before completing the MacBook setup. With the new macOS up and running, Device Link proceeds to install our hardware test application. The yellow pop-up is giving instructions to open the laptop lid and press Continue to begin the hardware test. Following the instructions, we'll move through various tests, including the screen, webcam, microphone, speakers, keyboard, where each functioning key lights up in green for easy identification, and the trackpad. The hardware tests are complete. Continuing to follow the on-screen instructions, we'll then close the lid and press Continue. For the final step, Device Link removes the temporary user account created earlier, and runs Apple's Erase All Contents and Settings feature. This securely wipes all user data and settings from the device, leaving a fresh macOS instance, ready for resale. And that wraps up our process. You can access a comprehensive report detailing the erasure and refurbishment of the current device, as well as others tested on this Device Link unit. The report includes all collected data from the target device, the test results, and run times for each task. Plus, if you have a label printer setup, labels will print automatically after each erasure, or you can opt to print additional labels as needed. We've added links in the description to the instructional videos and quick start guides for setting up and configuring your Device Link unit, plus the FAQs for Device Link on our website. Thanks for watching.